everyone, you are tuned into Digital Abhi. This is 10th episode of WordPress tutorials, and in this particular video we will see how you can add or change a feature image on a post or any page in WordPress. So let's get started. So as usual, I don't need to say that you have to log into your WordPress dashboard. In your WordPress dashboard, open the post or page for which you want to set a feature image. So here I have a post by the title Basics of Website in front of me, and I will add a feature image on this post. Click on Edit. I will first show you that currently there is no feature image for this post. So as you can see, there's no feature image set for this post right now. So I will just put any image to show the demo that how you can set a feature image. So after opening the particular page or post for which you have to set the feature image, move on to the right sidebar, scroll a little bit, and you will see an option of featured image. Click on it. After that, click on the button Set Featured Image. Now there are two options from which you can set a feature image. First, by clicking on the button Select Files and uploading a media file from your device. And second is by choosing an image from all the available images in the media library. So I will just click on media library and select this image. After selecting this image, I will click on Set Featured Image. Now as you can see, the image is uploaded on the right sidebar. I will now click on Update. Post is updated. Now let's see if the feature image is set or not. Let's refresh this page. Now as you can see, we have successfully updated a feature image. Now if you want to change the current feature image or replace the image, just click on the button Replace Image and choose any image from the available images in the media library, or upload a media file by clicking on Upload Files, then Select Files, and then selecting a file from your device. So that's how you can set a feature image in WordPress. And like always, I will again say the same statement. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay tuned to Digital Abhi.